Alright, so hi, welcome back. Do you want to know how to import your footage, your files, your video from your computer going inside Adobe Premiere Pro so that you can start edit it in your timeline? Well, in this video, we will going to learn three ways how we can import your footage from your computer to Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, let's open Adobe Premiere Pro, and to be sure that we are on the same page, we need to make sure that we are on the editing workspace. Now to do that, just hover your mouse at the top, click on editing, and you are on the editing workspace. Just in case you can't find the editing here, just click on Window, Workspace, and click on editing. Then there you go. Now we are on the same page. To double check that we are really on the same page, click on Window, Workspaces, and then reset to saved layout. Just in case that you make some little changes or adjustment to your workstation, we need to click on reset to save layout just to be sure it will really back to this original state of workspace. All right, good. Now, so in this video, we're gonna talk about three main ways to import your footage to your application. All right, so the first one is we go to File. All right, we go to File at the top, and then we go to Import. All right, where's the import? There you go. So once you click on this, it will open your Windows Explorer, or in my case is the Finder. All right, and then you just need to choose the folder where you want to import the footage, the assets folder that I want to import to Adobe Premiere Pro. So you just highlight it, left click, and then click on import. And then after that, it will import the files in the project panel. It's already here. Now I already imported it, or it's already here, but so I need to Ctrl Z to undo it. All right, so you already imported the footage, the first method. Now let's look on the second method. So the second method to add to import your files is to just simply drag the footage or the folder from your computer, from your Finder or Windows Explorer. So let's open Finder. All right, so let's open Finder. All right, and then let's say I want to import this lesson file or poll files or lesson file to Premiere Pro. All we have to do is just to drag and drop it like that in project panel. So once you release this, you're gonna import it. So just give an import project files. So I'm gonna import entire project. All right, because Adobe Premiere Pro detected that there is a project file, all right, inside of that folder. That's why I give this dialog box. But if there's no project file, there's no pop-up like this. So I'm gonna hit cancel, all right, and then imported. Now, all right, let's try to import different things. So we'll go back to the Finder, and then let's go lesson file, and then yeah, there you go. So there's a project file that was detected. That's why it's asking for that dialog box. Now let's say just this folder, there's no project files, completely footage, video, audio, photo, and projects only. So let's drag this folder to the project panel. Oops, all right. There you go. Now, if I release this, that, okay, hang on. Let's try to make it in the list view. All right, so that you can see it. All right, because there's no space to drag the footage. All right, so go to Finder, go to Assets, look for the folder that you want to add, and then just drag it here. Drag it here. Then once you release, boom, it's already right there. Asset 02 because it's already imported. That's why it's created automatically with number 02 at the end. I'm gonna Ctrl Z because it's already imported. All right, and that's the second method to add your to import your footage in Premiere Pro. Now the third part, or the third method to add to import footage to your computer or to your Premiere Pro is by using the media browser. Now to do that, we just need to click on the left side. There's a media browser supposed to be in here, but just in case you can't find this media browser, All you had to do is to look for the top. So we need to go to window. All right, we need to go to window and then click on, make sure that there's a check or tick on media browser. Once you have a tick on this, or just click into the to check that, and then the media browser will pop up here somewhere else here. Now just in case you cannot see it here, just click on the chevron or the hidden items and then look for the media browser. Now once you have the media browser, I'm gonna make it bigger so that you can see. All right, so I'm gonna drag this box here. All right, there you go. Cool. Now, so Macintosh HD, I go to my users folder, I go to desktop folders because where's the file located? It's in there, and then look for the lesson file, and then from there you right click on it and then you click on import. It will automatically import inside Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, so there you go. So just look for the files and then you just right click on the file, whatever file or folder it is, and then click on import, and that way you can work on inside of the Adobe Premiere Pro without going back and forth outside of the application just to look for the files in your computer. All right, cool, right? So now let's go back to project lessons here. All right, minimize it. Okay, I'll put it back to kind of the original size. All right. Okay. All right, just a bonus tip: if you want to import your files, or if you want to import your files the fastest way, just simply click on this, double click on it, and then it will ask you. It will open the Finder where you can just look for the files quickly, and then just click on import, then boom, it's already right there. All right, so to do that again, so if you want to the fastest way to import files on your Premiere Pro is to go to the project panel and then click on empty space, double click it, and then it will open the Finder or Windows Explorer where you can find the folder that you want to import in your Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, so just say for example audio, then click on import, then boom, importing files, it's already right there. All right, so it's already imported, so I'm gonna Control Z to undo it. Okay, cool. And that is the way, and that's 3 ways and 3 main ways plus bonus tip how you can import your footage files or video files inside Premiere Pro. This is really helpful, guys, so that you can import footage to your Premiere Pro seamlessly or quickly as much as possible, and you know different ways how to do it. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.